YAGEO Group is excited to introduce the A7C3 Series radial hybrid aluminum polymer capacitors, designed for the future of high-performance electronics. Combining a highly conductive polymer with a liquid electrolyte, the A7C3 offers the best of both worlds: low ESR, self-healing reliability, and superior electrical stability. With a capacitance range of 47 to 1000 microfarads, 25 to 63 volt ratings, and long life endurance up to 4,000 hours at 125 degrees Celsius, the A7C3 thrives in demanding conditions. Engineered to meet AEC-Q 200 standards, the A7C3 delivers high ripple current capability up to 4.0 ohms, making it ideal for automotive electrification, industrial automation, and telecom infrastructure. Discover more at YAGEOgroup.com. YAGEO Group, built into tomorrow.